What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with another video that I have not really done a video like this on my channel, but you know what? I feel like this is needed. You know, I love watching videos like this and it's needed, okay? We need to talk about this, and that is hygiene, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you guys some of my must-have. These are feminine hygienes that are must-haves that need to be in my home at all times. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below any tips, tricks, any feminine hygiene products that you know you love, that you know they just do the thing. Just comment it all down below. I love stuff like this, okay? I love sharing and you know learning what other people do and just you know sharing what I do. I love that. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I am definitely not a gatekeeper when it comes to the things that I use. So yes, go ahead and comment down below, but let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so hygiene, okay? We do not want to be funky smelling, okay? Yes, this is a hot girl summer, but not gonna be hot girl coochie, okay? Okay, that's not what Meg meant when she said that, okay? We want to be cute, living our best lives, but you don't want to be having no hot box, okay? No, we don't want that. We don't want no hot breath, none of that stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use. So first things first, y'all. Oral hygiene, okay? It is all crazy to me, like the fact that people really don't really properly take care of their oral health. Like, I mean, come on. So first things first, this is the toothpaste that I've been using for years and I love it. This is the Crest. This is their I'm looking at the box and I'm saying because I'm thinking about my next, anyways, whatever. So this is the Crest Pro Health and you can't really see it, and I feel like my lighting is trying to play me again like it did in my last video. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, let me see if I zoom in on it like this. Maybe y'all can see it. Well, it's like a mint color, but anyways, I get the gum protection. I like this. I've been using it for years, and I had to re-up today anyways. I actually have the one that I like. A lot of the stuff, it may look like it's brand new. Some stuff I had to buy because I was needing more, but I actually have the ones that I'm using in my bathroom. Some stuff I did pull from my bathroom, but anyways, this is a fresh box. I still have some left, but I was needing another one anyway. So back to what I was saying. Gotta get the mouth fresh, okay? Brush your teeth, you know, and then tongue. You got to brush your tongue. A lot of people really don't be brushing their tongue. I'm like, why are y'all walking around with white tongues? Like, your tongue should not be white, okay? It should be a healthy shade of pink. And so after I brush my teeth, I like to go in with a tongue scraper. I use this one. I got this off Amazon. It looks like this. Let me just pull it out. So it's like this, and I just I'm gonna link a lot of the stuff down below, but this is literally what I use to scrape my tongue, make sure everything gotta get off, okay? Can't be there. Can't be walking around with no white ass tongue, okay? So brush my teeth, scrape the tongue, okay? And then to seal everything in, I use the TheraBreath. This is the dentist formulated, the Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. This is the jumbo size. They do have a smaller one. I just got the big one because, I mean, I don't be wanting to go to the store all the time, just be buying stuff. So anyways, I got the value size one. Y'all, this is the only mouthwash that I have found that I actually like. All the other ones, the Listerine, like I feel like I can't keep them in my mouth for too long because it just burns. This does not burn, it does not tingle. And you guys, when I say this literally will have your breath smelling fresh for hours, like it's not gonna be smelling like no mint or whatever, but like it's for me, I feel like it's just odorless. Like it really does help. It's great to help for, like, you know, if you're gonna be out for a long day, this will keep you good for a good minute, okay? So I really like this. Like, if you are looking for, you know, a good mouthwash, try this one out. Like, this right here is amazing. Like, your breath will be fresh, okay? Do all three of these. This is all I use, okay? And it keeps my mouth smelling fresh. Now, I also have this here because I bought another pack because I have one in my bathroom, but I had to buy more because I was running out. These are the flushable wipes. I get this from Walmart, okay? So this is a 3-pack. They actually have a 5-pack. I should have bought that because, anyways, whatever. Y'all listen, toilet tissue, tissue paper, ain't enough, okay? So, you know, once I clean down there, you know, you finish going number 1, number 2, I have to make sure everything is gone, okay? Like, ain't no remnant, ain't nothing. So I usually wipe with tissue paper, and then I like to follow up with a wipe. Listen, y'all, ain't nothing finna be smelling crazy, okay? So I love using the wipes. I really recommend that you get wipes and just use it as like an add-on, like an additional. But yeah, I use the wipes. This is the one I use. It's hyperallergenic, fresh scent, made with 100% plant-based fibers. Is biodegradable. And it's 144 wipes for all 3 that I have here, and they are flushable. Moving on now. Okay, deodorant. This is the deodorant that I use. Y'all, I try to use the aluminum-free deodorant. I had the one from Drunk Elephant. If you know, because I know they say what, the one that has aluminum, everything causes cancer at this point. But y'all, I tried. I felt like I'm someone that I don't really get like musty. So even, let's say I was to skip deodorant that day, right? I don't get musty, like, you know, but I be wearing my deodorant. But if I was, like, I'll be fine. Y'all, wearing the one, do I still have it? I still have it. Let me show y'all. Yes. So this is it right here, y'all. This is the deodorant that I was using. Let's see if it'll like focus so you guys can see. Anyways, so this is the Drunk Elephant one, y'all. Heck no. Heck no, you guys. When I say I smelled, like I was smelling crazy. I was like, what the heck is going on? So I went back to my good old secret unscented 48 hour clear gel. I like the gel. I don't like using the one that is like the white because I don't want no type of like residue. No, I like just clear. So I use this. If you know of a good aluminum free deodorant that will actually work, because this Drunk Elephant one is not, no. Because I was smelling using this. Like, how are you using deodorant and you're smelling? I was like, what the heck? This is crazy. So anyways, this is what I use. Okay, and I love it. Moving on. Okay, now let's get back to, you know, body. Okay. So to wash my body, I actually use 2 things. So I use the Dr. Bronner's. This is their his 8-in-1 hemp peppermint pure cow's soap. Okay, I first wash with this because it's like a nice little mint tingling. I just love it. But this stuff, when I bathe with this, it really dries like my skin out. It gets you squeaky clean. So I first wash my entire body with this, and then I follow up with another wash. It's like a double cleanse with the Dove. This is their mango and almond butter. It smells so good. So this is what I use to wash my body. So both of these. So I first wash with this, rinse that all off, follow up with this. Y'all, skin squeaky clean, okay? And then, you know, when I'm having a little self-care day, which today was like a little self-care day for me in the shower. Like, y'all, when people sit up here and be like, they don't want to take showers or they don't want to wash their legs, I'm like, why? Like, why are you, like, why are you allergic to water? Like, what is it about showers that you don't enjoy? Like, I love being in there. I just play some music. I have like a speaker. I have it going on in the restroom, playing my good old 90s music, R&B songs, and enjoying my time in the shower. Like, I don't understand why people don't be want to take showers. But anyways, today was like a little self-care day, right? And so I like to use the Tree Hut, their Shea Sugar Scrub. And I have this, I don't know if this is limited edition, but this is the cotton candy one, y'all. Just look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. So I use this as a body scrub. Y'all, my skin feels amazing. Like, Anyways, y'all, this stuff is amazing. I also use the, what's that brand? I have the one from Skin Fix. I have that one. I haven't finished it yet, but I did like that one as well too. It really doesn't matter as long as it's a scrub. It got the granules and it can just, you know, exfoliate my body. That's great. I like to wear the glove. I don't know what happened to my gloves. I had a pair of gloves. I need to buy another one, but the gloves are like an add-on as well too. With this, ooh, your skin's gonna be feeling just scrubbed down. Okay, all right. And so then, you know, now that we've washed our bodies, we've scrubbed our bodies, listen, we cannot be walking around ashy. Now let me tell you something. I'm that person that I really do hate putting lotion on after I get out the shower. Like, I just don't like it. So, you know what I found? In shower body lotion. And I love this stuff, okay? Listen, so if you're like me, you can't be walking around ashy, okay? So either you're gonna put the lotion on in shower or you're gonna put the lotion outside the shower. You gotta pick a stroke. Like, you just don't be walking around ashy, okay? Don't be walking around with dry ass skin, okay? So I use the Olay, their in shower body lotion, the Ultra Moisture Shea Butter. I buy this off Amazon. I buy like 4 at a time because like it's like a 4-pack. I buy 4 at a time, use this, and when I say my skin is hydrated, like it is hydrated. I feel like if anything, I feel like I get more hydrated, like my skin feels more hydrated as time goes on throughout the day. But you guys, this stuff is amazing. So if you're someone like me where you got the shower and you just don't like to put on lotion, you should really look into an in-shower body lotion, and you should look into the Olay one. I have tried out the Nivea one before. It wasn't bad, but I think I prefer this one a lot more, and it's real, y'all, it's real easy and quick. Like, you literally finish taking a shower, and I'm very generous with this. I put a lot on. I put it on my whole body. It's real quick in the shower. Then you just let a little bit of the water like fall on you, and then you're good to go. And so this is what I use. But I also have here the Eucerin, their advanced repair cream. So I mean, there are days where I need some lotion to have on hand. So I find that I like to use it all over my body, but I don't use it on my feet. So when I get out the shower, I actually do come back with this and use this on my feet. Also, if you watch my video, my most complimented perfume video, I showed you guys a little trick, okay, to make sure, you know, because we're gonna get to that perfume too. You know, we gotta seal all this in. But actually, let's get to that, and then I'm gonna come back to this. So yeah, I also have this as well too for, like, you know, outside of the shower if I want more, but usually that does just the job. But yeah, so now, you know, mouth smelling good, coochie smelling good, body smelling good, everything is smelling good, right? Because this, you have to lay the foundation down, okay? Now it's time for perfume. Listen, perfume, gum are not substitutes for poor hygiene, okay? Once you have, if you do all of this, like, perfume is supposed to just be a booster. So that's the next thing. I love me a nice perfume. Get you a good get you a good perfume. I prefer it over body spray just because it has a longer lasting power. If I'm out and about, okay, I always like to say that I'm out and about. Listen, body sprays you sprayed on, a minute, 2 minutes is gone, okay? So invest in a nice perfume. As you guys can see, I have a whole plethora, okay? So back to what I was saying, right? Because I'm actually gonna do this, actually I may not, because the perfume I'm gonna wear, I'm going out tonight. The perfume that I'm gonna be wearing is, it don't need this whole trick. But if you do want a little trick, I'm gonna show you guys this. So what you wanna do is you wanna take some of your lotion, right? I'm just taking it like this, right? Okay? And I'm just gonna grab a random perfume. Who wants to be up? Let's just do a random Mancera perfume, right? Just take a perfume. I'm not gonna actually spray this because I'm not wearing this particular perfume tonight. But I take the lotion and now just give a bunch of sprays, rub it on in, and then I usually rub this all over my legs. I'm just gonna put it right here on my hands so you guys can see. But anyways, I rub it all over my legs. Y'all, when I say it locks everything in, you are going to be smelling good head to toe, okay? Baby, you walking, girl, who is that? Me, she, I am her. I have arrived and I smell great. So yeah, that's pretty much, y'all, this is my hygiene must-haves. I use all of this stuff faithfully and I don't have no complaints, okay? Ain't nobody ever said I stank, okay? I'm just saying, okay? So yes, this is what I do to make sure, you know, I am good to go. These are my hygiene must-haves. If you have any, you know, things that you want to share, go ahead and comment it down below, okay? Because I want to know. I'm nosy, okay? And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.